21 years of age, hailing all the way last from the Emerald City of the South, Muntinlupa, na nagsasabing, mga nagagapuhang mga Morado, aanhin pa ang inyong kagapuhan kung hindi niyo naman matitikman ang...
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is not just a celebration of beauty. It is a celebration of courage, grace, and identity that unite us all. Serving you, Trans Excellency, from a pure-blooded Tamarao, this is Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. In a world full of mestizas, allow me to show you the real embodiment of Filipino beauty. I may not be your Super Serena Grand Finalist, nor your Q&A semi-finalist. But judges, I would like to remind you that I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. And judges, the girl is standing in front of you is a proud fourth-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. And Mami J, I wish you the happiest birthday. Good morning and enjoy the show.
An account manager in one of the leading reputation protection company in the United States. An advocate for digital literacy. Hi, my name is Sandra Cruz, 28, who is truly all the way from the heart of the mountains of Rizal, Tanay. Sandra Cruz believing after Mama Mary, let's all hail to Madame Jean the Mother.
That's our candidate number 3, Sandra.
Life isn't always black and white. Sometimes it comes with a package that doesn't quite match, but comes in. But guess what? That doesn't make it any less beautiful. My name is Polly Villayorino, 22, from the Roman Catholic Diocese and the Great City Initiatives of the Philippines, Pasig City. Thank you so much.
That's our candidate number 4, Hope.
Happy birthday, Mama G! Standing in front of piece of flesh, 24 years old stunner, hailing all the way from Cainta, province of Rizal. My real name is Faith Cruz. But today, hayaan niyo po akong hiramin ang maamong mukha ni Miss Claude Bernardino. Tama already. Thank you so much.
That's our candidate number 5, Claude Bernardino. Miss Faith.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pia Garcia, and I am very proud. 33 years old stunner. Ang babaeng nagsasabi na aanuhin ko naman po ang edad kung mukha ka pa rin namang bata. I am all the way from the home of the Enchanted Kingdom, the Lion City of the South, Santa Rosa City, province of Laguna, na naniniwala na hindi naman po lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Buti pa si Mami Jean, masarap na nga, minahal pa. Thank you.
That's our candidate number 6, Pia.
A physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness and goodness of the heart will last a lifetime.
Good afternoon, everyone.
This is Paris Garcia, all the way from the city of Tarlac, na nag-iiwan ng pick-up line. Aanin mo pa ang sinabawang gulay, kung kay Mami J pa lang, buhay mo na yung makulay. Thank you.
Magandang araw, Cubao. Ako po, si Jaja Martinez, 22, a graduating student of Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, a consistent Dean's Lister. Hindi ko ako mag-iiwan ng kataga, ngunit lagi-lagi ilalaban at isusulong ang Mandaluyong. Thank you so much.
That's our candidate number 8, Chacha.
What a glistening assemblage! People of Cubao. Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? In the privacy of my everyday life, I have always been a warrior. But tonight, ladies, gentlemen, Familia Lumaban, allow me to be your queen. The queen who is naked in your eye is hailing all the way from the fashion capital of the Philippines. Yes, indeed. I am a bona fide resident of Parañaque City. Your queen is Joshua Bong, 25, is scholar ng bayan, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, a candidate for Magna Cum Laude. Totoo po yan. But tonight, or today rather, allow me to walang inaatrasan ay pwedeng maging miyembro ng pamilya lumaban. Ano pang hinahanap nyo? Andito na po sa inyong harapan. Magandang tanghali!
That's our candidate number 9, Josh.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, walang bonus kay Mami Jean. Marami pong salamat. For I always believe that if diamonds are polished by friction, woods and men are perfected by trials. Good afternoon, people of Cubao, and to the familia Lumaban. A girl is standing here in front of you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 22 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibacks, first runner-up in trans pageantry. They called me your face card favorito. This is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am all the way from the hope that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila, na nagsasabing hindi na po ako naniniwala sa magic sarap. Dahil ang tunay na sarap kay Mami G, malalasap. Judges, I am your candidate number 10. Just sit back and relax because it's showtime.
That's our candidate number 10, Karen.
So aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in and it will come naturally. Hi, hello, and mabuhay Tower Cats. I am Nicole Enciso Guevara, 23, all the way from the home of the most beautiful women in the world. Olongapo City, province of Zambales. Happy birthday, Mommy Jane. Thank you.
That's our candidate number 11, Nicole.
is not only winning, but rising every time we fall. Good evening, ladies. Good afternoon, rather. Ladies and gentlemen, mom and sir, kamusta po kayo? Standing in front of you is a 25 years old stunner. I am all the way from Angeles City, province of Pampanga. Minsan nyo na po akong napanood sa GMA Channel 7 as your first ever Kapampangan who entered the very prestigious pageant in our country, which is the Super Serena Super Grand Finalist Worldwide Philippines in Bulaga. Na siya pong nagsasabing, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Isa lang ang masasabi ko, siya lang ang tunay at nangmamay-ari ng beat. Mabuhay ka, Jing Lumaban! Viva Jing Lumaban! Viva Pamilya Lumaban! Nakalpong salamat!
The physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness and greatness of the heart will remain last forever. A glorious good afternoon to each and everyone. This is Maria, Bea, and Enriquez, hailing all the way from the mega city Baguio Bay and from the entertainment capital city of the Philippines, Parañaque City. A graduate of Bachelor of Science Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, summa cum laude, Evelyn. Just sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the show.